G'day guys, Unforsaken Bricks here, back again with another video. Excuse me. This video is going to be a little bit different to all my others. As it's only such a small set, I decided I'm going to build it on camera for you and then do a review at the end of it. So I will skip to the building and I will be back with a review in just a sec. Alrighty, so we are back after the little quick build. It's a probably about 15 to 20 pieces, if that. So it's only a really quick build. It didn't take very long at all. As you can see, that is the instructions. Nice and hard. So yeah, I bought this off, as I said, on the haul. It came in off Brickzar's Bricklink store. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was about $4 or $5, I think, at most. So it wasn't overly expensive. It was just quick, something cheap that I wanted to just throw in with the extra parts I bought for my collection. But I actually don't mind this little set. It's quick and easy little set. Add to your collection, add to your city or whatever. I think that's really the only reason why I got it, just to throw it in the city somewhere, and the fact that it was cheap. But as you can see, we've got a little wagon. Our little man pulls around with the bin. Nice empty bin. Oops, lost that. Can't lose that. I've got a little, I guess we've got a little mini dumpster, if you like. Or just a little thing. It's got, see, opens up. It's got some studs in there. But it's pretty basic, just a couple of walls. But I think that's 10, 11 pieces, 12 pieces, I think, for that, just that itself. And then of course our little minifig. Wow, we're actually going to focus on their face today. Thanks, camera. He's got a little shovel, just a little construction outfit, like a lot of the other city sets have, the little construction outfits, and just the black cap. That's pretty much the set. It's a pretty cool little set. Yeah, it's probably a 30-second build. I think I made it take a little bit longer because I wasn't paying attention to half of what I was doing. That, and I have to watch my dog. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Unforsaken out.